Why e be say people wey you call your home, na those people na dey hit you for back? Why e be like that, my people? I don reason this thing. I don reason am go everywhere. I no know where I wan reason am go. I say okay, let me share with my people on my YouTube. Why e be say people wey you really love, na those people na dey hit you? Why e be like that, my people? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time and you've not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Guys, please subscribe, hit the notification bell so that anytime I make back, you will be back with me. I love you all. May the good Lord continue to bless you. So guys, in today's video, I go to talk about people where they mock people for this let me call them maybe YouTube or Facebook, anywhere, any social media platform. You go see, this person are your friend. Now your friend though, but you go they mock that your friend. Is it really good? Or maybe that your friend can't make one mistake for one place, then you go come they use that mistake, come they laugh your own friend. Bini say na rat when e dey house. Now they tell the one with dey outside, say food dey oh, make una come. Do you know that those people that know you, those people that when you call your home, now then that be the people where they shop you? Why it be like that, my people, my country people? Now me they always talk for my channel, say if I do anything, even though say you senior me or I senior you, call me, okay? I dey talk am again now. Just call me, tell me say Mama Didi, this thing where you do so, you not doing like this, you not doing like this. Me, I'm dead to that. I'm too loyal, I too loyal to come tell. I'll come tell you, say, oh, my sister, my brother, thank you so much. I loyal like that. Now that kind of person, now I be. I dey always tell people, say, I always need people to correct me, because one, when somebody not correct you and you they feel say you are doing the good thing, now the right thing you they do, not lie you, not be the right thing you they do, not be the right thing. Because if you can't think say you too gallant, you know everything, my dear, you see where you for gallant, now there that person you for start, nobody know it all. And they always they talk and say, you where they laugh person for social media, you where they laugh person. If maybe say person made mistake, or maybe person they present, speaking English where and maybe made mistake. Nobody's perfect, darling. Nobody is perfect. You where they laugh person. So you sure say you don't get any comma for your own. You sure say you not get one comma for your own. You where they laugh person. Maybe somebody make comments. Maybe the comments is not correct. All you need to do is to laugh the person. Is it really called for? Is it really good? My people, it's not good though. They not go that person where you do at when he not go use good eye they look you. You know the highway go take the look you, say as I take this person rich, now so this person can't they do this thing, that hatred will be there. That's why I talk and just now say, as for me, the gallant lady, if I do anything you not like, call me. If you don't have my number, just inbox me, leave message for me, say Mama Didi, I want to talk to you, I will respond to you. Or Mama Didi, I need your number, there's something I want to ask. My dear, I'm loyal to that extent. I will give it to you and I will make sure I hear what you want to tell me. But say you not can't tell me, you can't they laugh me. Hey my dear, you are destroying yourself. Yes, you are destroying they say this hand where they feed you make you not bite them. If you bite that hand where feed you, you know say na problem you get now. Hand where they feed you, you can't bite them. So can't they, so can't enter. You don't know why they be. That hand not go feed you again now. Now so it be. My people, sometimes make we they try they use our number 6. Okay? And I mean they see they talk for this social media. Say, if you know say you too gallant, if you know say you too know, you too read, say your head if they craze for book, you don't need to come social media. Yes, now me talk. you don't need to come social media. If you know say you know how to correct people very well, say na to correct, na to laugh people, now you know how to do, you don't need to come social media, because you know why? Na wahala na go push you enter house. You don't need to do that. Because na me dey see talk and say people wey dey do all those things, they no need to do social media. If you know say you too gallant, you too know book, you too sweet, you know where you suppose dey? You suppose dey one office, you dey work for that office. You no need to come YouTube or come Facebook, come dey comment. No, all your mates they dey high table, they dey high place, they work. As you come dey come YouTube, now you dey fool yourself. You dey fool yourself. My sister, my brother, if you know say you dey do that thing, you know you dey mock people. Somebody not do you anything, you just mock am. Wetin no dey body, you just talk am. The day where the wrath of God go visit you, In short, let me tell you another one. The day where thunder go strike you, the thunder will go strike you. You know they do press up, it go just strike you immediately. Try to be nice to people. Try to be appreciating people. Don't mock people, because people that you mock today, I can still use this lady as an example. This lady Monica Lobolobo in YouTube. That time when she started, now some people they laugh. Oh, he knows how to speak English. Oh, he knows how to do this one. Are you kidding me? But today, uncle, go and look at her. Una way laugh and say, now so he knows how to speak English. Now so he knows how to write. Where she did today? She never passed on. Igberavane o, agberavane o, agberavane o, megberavane o, mama negia mama dame, megberavane o. Now so, don't laugh people, don't mock people. People, somebody where you think say that's so it go be, they go. Umbano, na me they talk. You see this mark. If God mark you, He don't mark you. He don't mark you. I'm using myself as an example all the time. Me, let me leave that side. Make we try, Make we try to be nice to people, okay? Let's try to be nice to people. Don't make joys of people. Don't laugh people. Not say now you gallant pass. Now you know book pass. Now you know how to write pass. Now you know how to pin pass. Say that person where you dey laugh. Now so it go be. But no, not they be like that. It's just some people now. Like the time when they never enter YouTube. They don't know how to use computer. But thanks to YouTube, now they can use computer. Now you want to laugh them. No. Before they don't know how to do it. But now they know how to do it. Now so life be. We all are learning every day. We are learning. Nobody is perfect. Okay? My sister, my brother, you where they do all those things. You where they laugh person. You where they talk with the person not do. The thunder will go strike you. The Amadioha will go strike you. You know they do press up. And if you want to strike you, you know go check whether you get children. You know go check whether you get mama. You know go check whether you get husband. You know go check whether you get any money for your bank account. That Amadioha, it go just make pakan. As I say, Mona, subscribe to my channel. It go make you pakan. It go off you once. Okay? Do not mock people. Do not mock people. Just because say the person not present well, or the person not talk well, or I can see some of my video, my whole video. I will see the one where they do now. I know I'm making improvements. I know I'm making it. I'm going there. That's how it is. Not mocking people. And you with the mock persons, go and check your life back now. Check your life. If now you be so you be before. Everybody they grow. Everybody they grow every day. Stop to the mock people. If you know say you gallant, go to one office. not on YouTube, because people will not get work like you now dey YouTube. You know what I mean? I no mean say people wey dey YouTube they not get work. What I mean is that you wey you say you gallant, you know book. Now you not suppose dey YouTube. You suppose dey one office dey work. Because as you no come know yourself now, you don't know your left to your right. You don't know your left to your right. That's why you dey YouTube. So me, I dey use this opportunity to talk to you. Me, the gallant lady herself, the do lady, the lady that say, let there be light. Unotago, there will be light. I'm telling you today now, back up from YouTube. Go and look for work. Go and look for job. Okay? You are not welcome on YouTube. And if you not change, Amadioha will strike you. Yes. Amadioha will strike you. You need to change. Apologize to people that you've hurt. You've hurt a lot of soul, darling. You've hurt people. Apologize to them. Live a good life, because we don't know where this life they go. So we don't know. Corona is everywhere. We don't know. Now new jail we see here enter, so no, they carry people matapo for your head, because you see that person where they carry matapo for your head is sleeping good, and you are dying. You are dying. No, they carry people matapo for your head. Try to relieve some. It's just like me now. I don't have grudges against anyone. If you do me something, I will just tell you the way it be. That's how my life be. And if you not still come to my attention, say you are making, I not go mind you. You know why? You not rich. Who we are? You not rich. All those kind of people, if maybe say I say they may I not call you, you know say you not rich. But if I call you, you know say you gallant. That's why I be. Okay? Behave well. So that your children, time to come, they will watch your video and they will be proud of you. They will say, wow, when my mom was on YouTube, she really did a great job. My dear, my people, me, and Saga I be you. I dey always talk am. If you want me for Saga, I go give you. If you want peace, I give you peace. And so my life just reach. But I don't talk and say my channel not before. My channel not before Saga, guys. It's for peace. But I want to give some people where they not get sense. They not get common sense. I want to give them sense. I want me they understand. I want me they know say, not be as they call papa, not be so they call mama. I want make them know say, me they behave well. Not be everybody where you see for road. Now you go talk to anyhow. Or you just look somebody. Just say, this person. That's so your life go be. You just read that person, say, this person not get document. Or this person not get this. Or this person not get children. No, my darling. It doesn't work like that. Let's behave well. Let's love each other. Let love reign. Behave yourself. If you know you are doing that kind of thing, better quit. It's very easy to quit. And on those kind of people, not the jealous people, they have a heart. Their heart, they have a heart of jealousy. They jealous too much. When they say you come out, just like me, the gallant lady. When I come out, I don't they come out anyhow. I come out with a grand style, you understand? You see this man, don't dare me. If you dare me, I go to send you out. Okay? Let's try to be nice to people. Let's love each other. Let's stop being backbiting. Let's stop be saying what we don't know about people. Let's stop be gossiping people. Let's stop be giving people what they don't want. Let's stop be like a dog that is smelling, looking for something that is smelly that I want to eat. Stop it. Stop it, okay? Stop it. This is a warning for you. Better stop it, okay? Be a nice girl that you are. So guys, that's it for today. I love you all. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell so that anytime I make kpakan, it will be kpakan with me. Okay, much love and much kisses to you. May the good Lord continue to bless you all in Jesus' name.